Got a vintage police car. It's a Quicker Stick and Lube in Clearwater, Florida. It's at the Thursday night swap meet at the Dodge Diplomat. I wonder what year it is. It was $10,598 brand new. That's cool looking.
It's pretty wild.
Look at that light bar. It's got the cage in there. I don't know how they get away with that red and blue lights in Florida. You're not even allowed to have red lights on a car in Florida except for the tail light. I wonder if it'll let me see him. No. Yeah. They put a CB in there. And the regular siren and everything. It was 10,000 new. That was before it was made into a police car. That's really cool. I bet he gets stopped in Florida a lot. You can't have red and blue lights on a car. Not at all. Those semi trucks get stopped for having blue lights.